with that 309 submitted, if we did decide to apply for an 822, would I need to pay the full fee again? Yes. Unfortunately, the government don't allow you to credit across what you've paid for the 820 for the 309 to then submit for an 820. There's no. In simple answers, no, you can't. Sometimes there's workarounds in terms of finding ways to keep partners onshore whilst you're waiting for an offshore application. That might be applying for additional tourist visas. Those are topics that I've covered in previous lives. So please have a look at, I think, last week's live and the week before. Again, look at that spreadsheet and see if you can find where I covered those topics. But when someone's onshore, it's increasingly more common to hear about couples that they've applied for a 309. Since then, they've come here on a visitor visa. Visitor visa is expiring. What do? They don't know how long the 309 is going to take. Really inconsistent kind of information about how long it's going to take, but their visitor visa is very defined. It's going to expire in 3 months or 6 months. What are the options? And yeah, one option is to apply for another partner visa onshore, get the full work rights, and just stay. Very expensive though, but you have to factor in the benefits and getting work rights on the bridging visa. The alternative might be, something in relation to applying for another visitor visa, trying to extend stay. If that doesn't work, appealing that refusal. Things get messy, but those are really the options. When someone's onshore on a visitor visa that's expiring, waiting for an offshore partner visa, there aren't a lot of clear pathways to keep someone here. And it either revolves around some other type of application or trying to get creative, which I won't go into in terms of the scope of this video. But there's loopholes, let's say, in trying to get bridging visas for people that apply for a visitor visa, apply for a bridging visa, withdraw the visitor visa. It gets complicated. Again, I don't want to go into it in this video. That's something I can provide more information on if you email me directly, martin@salvomigration.com.au. But Chris, just to again reiterate my answer to your specific question, unfortunately, there's no way to get a credit of your application fee submitted for the 309 when you apply for the 820. You can request a refund. That's open to you, but I just trying to set realistic expectations. I wouldn't expect you to get it, but something to consider.